The Council of Governors has categorically stated that all health workers who did not report to their duties after a court order to do so will not be paid their salaries. Addressing the media, the council chairman Isaac Ruto said that county governments were already putting in place mechanisms to hire health personnel to offer services in the counties. He appealed to members of the public to apply for the positions set to be advertised.
Those who will not have reported to work since the issuance of the court order dated 11th December 2013 will be treated as having absconded their employment by both the national and the county governments. No salaries will be paid to persons who have absconded from work. County governments are now putting in place mechanisms to hire health personnel to offer services in the county governments. All those who would want to work with the county governments are encouraged to apply for the positions that will be advertised, and indeed, some counties have already advertised for such positions.
He added that most health workers were scared of supervision likely to occur under county governments, unlike in their previous status.
What these people are fearing is not capacity, they are fearing supervision. They don't want to be supervised, they don't want to know us to know that they are not working. Let me tell you something very strange. Some of these people have been working on rotation. Like they have agreed amongst themselves that if they are 6, 2 can work for 6 months, and then the other 4 go away for another 8 months, and then they can come and start working. They are rotating within every 6 months. They report back, 2 report back, and another 4 are out.
Cabinet Secretary for Health James Macharia has accused health workers of frustrating the government's efforts to solve their issues long before the strike, pointing out that the government had drafted a health policy which was presented to health unions and is awaiting their input.
The ministry has been developing the health policy which will be guiding the sector going forward. This draft, or the draft of that policy, has been shared or was shared with the unions some time back, in fact 6 weeks ago. So when they do say that they have not had the policy, that is not very accurate, because indeed we give them a policy document for them to review and give us their feedback. We are still waiting for their input. Yeah.
Margaret Wahito for Capital TV.
Copies will be forthcoming.